Alright, now we're going to demonstrate a setup to the half Nelson. Just like we get setups to takedowns, we also have setups to turns. So before we can turn someone with the half Nelson, we have to get the half Nelson on. So this is called the cross wrist setup to the half Nelson. So wrestler A covers his opponent. He's in the opposite leg ride. What wrestler A is going to do is he's going to push wrestler B's near wrist across wrestler B's face, and then with his opposite arm he's going to grab a cross wrist, straighten wrestler B's arm out. Now wrestler A is going to reach his near arm underneath wrestler B's armpit, and wrestler A is grabbing onto his own wrist. From here, wrestler A is going to lift wrestler B's arm up into the air, and now he's going to put the half Nelson on. Now he's going to let go of wrestler B's wrist, and this is how we secure the half Nelson. Once again, wrestler A is in the opposite leg ride. He's going to push wrestler B's wrist across his face. Now he's going to reach across with the far arm and secure what's called a cross wrist, pulling wrestler B's arm forward. His near arm is going to go underneath wrestler B's armpit. He's going to grab onto his own wrist. From here, he's going to lift wrestler B's arm over his head, put the half Nelson on, let go of wrestler B's wrist, and now that's how we secure the half Nelson. Cross wrist setup. Alright, one more time from a different angle. Wrestler A is going to push wrestler B's near arm across his face. He's going to reach across and grab a cross wrist, pull his arm forward. Wrestler A's arm goes underneath wrestler B's armpit. Wrestler A grabs onto his own wrist, lifts wrestler B's arm up into the air, places a half Nelson on, and lets go of the wrist. This is how we secure a half Nelson with a cross wrist setup. Cross wrist setup to a half Nelson.